Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to be showing you the local way my baby's here the local way that I learned, like how to extract original 100% palm oil. This method was, I don't know if they are still using this method now, but when you go to some local area, I grew up in Anambra State, so I remember my grandma or my grand aunties using this way to extract palm oil from the palm fruit, like natural, without adding oil inside. Like when you want, they call it in Igbo language Mmanu, akasulu. And this type of oil is always very expensive. So that is what it's called. I know there is another method of extracting palm oil, but this is like when you want to get that 100%, like 100% palm oil, the local way. This is how they normally do it. So I have this palm oil that a friend sent to me. I mean palm fruit that a friend sent to me. So I put them in the freezer. I know they're not going to be producing a lot of oil because I put them in the freezer and I just took them out this morning, but it's enough to show you how to make it yourself, at how to get your own original palm oil, which is called Mmanu. So let's get into this video. And before we get into it, I want to explain some few things. Like normally in the local area where you get this type of oil, when they extract, they remove the palm fruit from the bunch of the tree, the head, I don't know what it's called, the head. They normally allow it to stay under the sun. For it to produce more oil, they allow it to stay under the sun for at least 24 hours, sometimes 2 days, sometimes 3 days. This helps to push the palm fruit to bring out more oil. So, but here I don't have that patience because I'm not going to be producing a lot. I just want to produce enough to eat yam, then use the rest for offer. So all I'm going to be doing now is to wash the palm fruit. So properly wash them, okay? Washing them, I'm going to add some water into it, and I'm going to add the water at the same level with the palm fruit. So I added the water at the same level with the palm fruit. Now I'm going to put the lid on and allow this to cook for 20 to 25 minutes or even 30 minutes, or until you check that the palm fruit is properly cooked. Okay, so I'm going to bring you back when I'm done cooking the palm fruit. Guys, the banga is cooked, as you can see here. So make sure yours is well cooked. When you touch it, it will open just like this. Because I don't have mortar, guys, and I actually have a little mortar, but I'm not going to be using it. So I'm going to try my food processor if it's going to work. So I'm going to add it to my food processor now. If you notice on my blender, I'm not using the other way. I'm using this place that says red. I don't know if any blender has it. So it just runs around. It's not going to blend. It's just going to break it, like take out the shelf of the palm fruit. You see? You didn't break the nuts. You just break this, get this out for me. So I'm going to put this out and do the same thing with the other badge. So guys, as you can see, I'm done breaking it. Look. So normally you have to do this when this is hot. you have to have akoko. Akoko and it will as you will be hot hand, because you have to get this thing done when it's hot. So as you can see, I'm pressing it out. This oil, when you use it for yam, oh boy. Whew. Then put it back again. Take some of it, squeeze the seed out, because you don't want the seed. Don't want to press it together with the seed. So you will start pressing. It's a lot of work to do this. This is the reason why this type of oil is very expensive, because it's oil that is done manually and not the engine type of oil. So whenever you have someone that sells this type of oil, it's always expensive, and people don't actually mind buying it that much, because you know that it's real. Like, you know, when you see olive oil, 100% olive oil, people do buy them without thinking about the price. So I'm going to go ahead now to press the little I can, because definitely I'm not going to be pressing all of this to bring out 1 bottle of palm oil for me, because I'm going to be using them for ofahu. Then I will bring you back, okay? Oh boy, guys, at the moment I'm done, but seriously, I have oil to use for my yam, and the oil is sweet there. This is how we do it when we are in the village. When I was in the village, when I was growing up, you don't wash your hand, because the oil is pure. It's like pure oil, pure red oil, so you are not scared to eat it like that. Just use your mouth to clean your hand. My God, I can't remember the last time I tested oil like this. So I'm going to clean up and bring you guys back, okay? So guys, this is what I got from the oil. I'm going to save this oil, like I'm going to save it for yam, like yam. Not even yam porridge, like yam, white yam. So I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you learn local techniques on how to do palm oil, which is called Mmanu akasulu in Igbo language. Thank you for staying with me. These are all pure natural 100% palm oil, no color, no water, nothing. This is 100% palm oil. So share this video if you find this video helpful, or you like this type of video. Share it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you. Bye.